Someone is playing with my cursor. The the pad is there is water on the pad. Perhaps that's it. Yeah, no, that's Donald Trump being stupid. Uh, okay, now that works. Because wants to break the IT that I have because I got it back. And then I had a new pen, a new marker, and I couldn't even use it. That it was teleported. It's like I opened a room with a marker. I remember that I watched it and I had another one. And now I don't have the new marker to write Justin Timberlake everywhere. And in the other building, Justin Timberlake is written everywhere. So I have to come here. But if I have a marker to continue to mark, then it's a problem to the point of teleporting not only one but two markers of mine. But there is written Justin Timberlake everywhere, and it's like it doesn't work, right? That makes sense. So because it's written everywhere, it means that it's mine, but they don't want to get there. They don't want to give me that, so they block it, and instead they teleport a marker so that I wouldn't have more. That's the level. Like then they call it magic. It's like if the magic is there, then you give me the building and the marker. Like if you teleport the marker, then you give me the building there. Stop being just fucking stupid idiots. This is the thing that I don't get by. It's like either it works, either it doesn't work. It's just not as when the wind blows. And they keep stuck into believing that the magic is what needs to be happening.